Hi, it's Raylan. We are doing an unboxing today for a very elegant watch. I'm super excited for this one. It's very feminine, very elegant, and it looks really nice. So the packaging, I absolutely love. It's like this orange color. It's from maple, golden maple, and it just has these like gold emblems. The maple leaf, it's so exquisite. I love it, and it looks really, really nice. So we're just doing a little unboxing. She looks so beautiful. It's like a romantic Cinderella. That's the first thing that popped to my mind. Accent piece. There's a mother of pearl, and there's diamonds all around the face. I love it. There's it looks like faux alligator skin that's just along the waist of the wristband. The band is leather and everything is made out of premium materials. What really caught my eye was this beautiful baby blue, light blue color. I just think it looks fantastic, and it kind of exceeded my expectations because inside the numerals are bold, they're classy. It's giving, as I said, romanticized Cinderella. It's just really pretty. And this would be perfect for any gift. As you can see, the packaging is very secured in there. It just looks so pretty with those rich, warm tones. And it says international warranty. I believe it's a 2-year warranty. So that's really nice. And then at the end right here, we have another drawer. And it just comes with instructions. It just tells you that this is a premium brand and it will keep accurate time. It also comes with a watch operation manual, and it comes with a little cleaner as well. I'm really glad that they added that to the watch as well. It's just really an accent piece. It's beautiful, very signature. It's wonderful if you're giving it a gift to anybody. They will certainly be talking about it because it's just so pretty. And I love how there's just gold everywhere. It gives it that rich, plush look. I'm so excited.
Once, a girl likes you, but you don't